Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our vision viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Iron Maiden announces Simon Dawson as new drummer, succeeding Nico MC Brain after 42 years. Iron Maiden named Simon Dawson as drummer for 2025 tour following Nico MC Brain's retirement announcement. Pop culture and art. British heavy metal legends Iron Maiden have named Simon Dawson as their new touring drummer, replacing Nico MC who retired after 42 years with the band. The announcement came as Iron Maiden wrapped up their The Future Past tour with a final performance in Sao Paulo, Brazil on 7 December. Simon Dawson, a longtime collaborator of bassist Steve Harris through their work in British Lion will take the drum throne for the band's upcoming Run for Your Lives World tour in 2025. A Suffolk native, Dawson has worked with Harris since 2012 and contributed to British Lion's albums and extensive global tours. In a statement, Iron Maiden said Simon Dawson, a name familiar to many fans, will step in behind the kit. Simon has been Steve's rhythm section partner for the past 12 years. An announcement for Iron Maiden as the Future Past tour concludes after 81 shows to over 1.4 million fans from La Jubil, Jona to the Coachella Valley and from Western Australia to Sao Paulo. Iron Maiden are delighted to announce that stepping in behind the kit of Furry 2025 is a name familiar to many of our fans. Simon Dawson, former session drummer and Steve Rhythm section partner of the past 12 years with British Lion, a native of Suffolk, England. Simon first teamed up with Steve Harris back in 2012. He debuted on 3 tracks on the first British Lion album and all of the second critically acclaimed The Burning, plus the many subsequent tours in the US, UK, Europe, Australia, Japan, New Zealand and most recently both Mexico and South Africa. Iron Maiden celebrate their 5th anniversary next year with the Run for Your Lives touring starting in Budapest on 27 May. The new tour coinciding with Iron Maiden's 5th anniversary kicks off in Budapest on 27 May 2025. Nico MC Brain announced his retirement on 7 December, setting the toll of extensive touring on his health. MC Brain 72 shared his graduate for his journey with the band, saying touring with Maiden for 42 years has been an incredibly journey. I look into the future with excitement and hope. MC Brain experienced significant health challenges in recent years, including a stroke in 2023 and a prior battle with stage 1 laryngeal cancer. Despite stepping back from touring, he plans to remain involved with Iron Maiden through other projects. Rod Smallwood, the band's longtime manager, praised MC Brain's contributions. Thank you for being an irrepressible force behind the drum kit for Maiden. You will always be part of the Maiden family. The Run for Your Lives tour marks a new chapter for Iron Maiden, with Simon Dawson poised to carry forward the band's legacy into their milestone year. Get your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.